beautiful people, it's Tier and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you a wash and go tutorial using Kurlee Belle's products. So let's jump right on in. I started out with the Almond and Shea butter moisturizing shampoo, and it has almond oil, shea butter, and orange citrus. Let me tell you, this shampoo smells amazing. It suds up fairly quick. It actually left my hair feeling very soft, which is not really common for me. Usually when I use a shampoo, it feels like it strips out the moisture, but this shampoo in particular felt like it added moisture to my hair. So now that I have rinsed out the shampoo, I am now moving on with the banana nut and avocado deep treatment. And let me just say, I am adding this to the holy grail of deep conditioners. I am very heavy on deep conditioning my hair once a week because I have hair color and that my hair dries out fairly quick, especially during the winter time. So this deep conditioner added a lot of slip to my hair. It allowed me to detangle my hair really easily, and it smells amazing. So I'm in love with this deep treatment. So I of course did it in sections, and I started to detangle it using my dimming brush. And you can definitely see how rich the deep treatment is once I start to detangle my hair. Very, very hydrating. So this is my hair after I have rinsed out the deep treatment. I left it in for about 10 to 15 minutes. It is recommended that you sit under a hooded dryer as well, just so that it can penetrate your hair more. So you know me, I have to work in sections because my hair is so thick. I'm going through with the curl defining cream first. So I go through that section. I use the dimming brush to make sure that it's completely detangled. And then once I feel that it's smooth and detangled, I am then going to go in with the Jelle coconut styling gel and put a layer right on top of that. Now you don't have to use both of them together, but I like to use layer it with the cream and then the gel because my hair is just super thick, and I like to eliminate the frizz as much as possible. So I rake the gel in with my fingers, and then I move on to the next section. So I just want to show you one side with product, one side without. And now I have my full head with the styling cream and the gel, and this stuff is amazing. My hair is not dry yet. I just wanted to show you how it looks right when I'm finished applying the products. So now I'm going in with the Kurlee Tropical Oil Blends that has castor oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. So I'm just taking this Smell Good oils and I'm just putting it through my hair, scrunching it up at the same time just to make sure I don't lose any curl as I'm putting this in my hair. Then I'm going to grab my hair diffuser. Now I did wait about 30 minutes or so to start diffusing my hair. I start at the roots because it takes my roots a very long time to dry, and then I just work my way down to the bottom ends of my hair. And so now my hair is 100% dry and I am so pleased with my hair, you guys. My hair is super soft, super defined. I love how Kurlee Belle includes the ingredients of what is in these products on their website as well, just to make sure that you're aware of what you're putting in your hair. I love the smell of it. I love how each product made my hair individually feel very moisturized without being overwhelming. So I highly recommend this Kurlee Belle line. It is amazing and my hair loves it, as you can see. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have used these products before. Let me know if you want to see any other type of tutorials, and yeah, please keep in touch. Bye guys.